Yeah, sometimes I pay the people to fuck off.
Yeah, I'm just gonna let it be. We cannot afford this right now. Alright, Lord is back. No, no, no. I wanna. Cannot exchange lords. Fuck.
Skull key.
So this guy cannot go in there? Fuck!
Yeah, you have to get a hero, not a lord. A lord is a leader of another army. You need to recruit a hero.
Fuck me. Fuck. Oh, right. Alright. That's 3 more turns. That will upgrade. So let's upgrade this.
Yeah.
I need to turn this into a tower. How do I do that?
It needs to be a capital city for you to do that.
Yeah, it's Bloodwood and Keep. I know it is. What do I do? How do I do that? Do I cancel this building? Oh, I have to probably capture all the provinces, don't I?
I don't know. I have no
Alright.
idea how that works.
Oh, a lot of people are doing nothing. Oh,
Stinky crap.
bribe the leaders. I hate building this, but we have to.
Come here. I'm gonna get you. Why are you running away from me? Come back. You ran far.
Ooh, he doesn't like you.
See, I'm killing these people and I don't have to.
Well, see, now you're having good problems, right?
I guess, yeah.
I didn't want to build this here. Fuck. Whatever.
Oh wait, I just realized I could have built a Herdstone here. Oh. That's fine, I can still make one.
It's not a good move.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 15, 16, 20, 24, 25.
Subjugate
That
us!
should be good enough.
Uh-oh.
Verwirrd Anja!
Oh, you're causing a lot of shit over here.
I'm just riling up the wildlife.
Alright, alright.
Nah, I'm just taking this shit.
Well, that's pretty fucking funny.
So the rats are fucking with you now.
No, I'm fucking with the rats. You got it the wrong way. They're taking the Centaur.
Look at this. See this rage? I didn't even. And now
Doesn't matter.
they're declared war.
You're taking his brothers as slaves and using them for your own work. Of course he's gonna, like...
Fuck! I guess he goes to war with all these motherfuckers.
See, this is why I wanted to play as that ogre, so I could teleport to you and fucking kill Grimgor, but that didn't work out very well.
I don't know what
Really?
we're gonna do now. We're literally fucked. I'm literally gonna have to make a shit army over here, quick.
Close defeat? Are you delusional?
You might have to do that one.
No, I'm not doing this. Definitely not doing this. Not even gonna try.